Too much. Light iko sawa. My name is Samuel. Yeah, I go by engineer Samuel. So this device, basically what it does, it helps us calculate the strength from the temperature value. Because as temperature, there's a thermal reaction going on. So we can monitor that using the sensors, and then using the temperature and a bit of calculation, we get the strength values. So for example, like our technician alluded to earlier, the ratio is not correct. So these sensors would have, from the temperature, would have shown us the, it would have captured that temperature, and from that we would have known already the mixture was not correct. But since we have corrected it, now we expect the calculated strength to be accurate, the one that will be crushed after 3 days and so on. So this is just a foolproof method of knowing real time whether your concrete is curing correctly or not, instead of waiting for the crash test, which is a bit manual. Yeah. So as the day goes on, every 30 minutes it will be sending data to the link. I'm sure you all have the link. Yeah. If you don't have, you can scan this QR code. It will send you to the sheet. So wherever you are, you'll be able to know how the concrete is performing in real time. So you can make adjustments, or you know what is happening. Yes. If there's any question, please.
So can you give us the strength after 28 days?
Yes.
This,
the device can run, is meant to run for 1 year.
okay.
So it can run for a month. Yes. So after 28 days, we'll know the strength.
Okay.
So I haven't configured the class yet and the ratios, which I will gather from you. But once we configure that, you will see that the calculated strength on this sheet will be approximately equal to the crash test. Yes, if the concrete is correct. And if it's not, this will tell us there's something wrong going on earlier. Yes. Have you understood the concept?
Yeah.
So my only request is nobody to tamper with this connection here, because once it's tampered, it can completely mess the system. Yes. That's my only request. So tomorrow, will you be putting it in a bag? In a bucket of water?
Yes.
Yes.
We'll demolish.
Okay. Sawa. That's all.
And in case of honeycombing, let's assume the way we'll be putting, there's some honeycombs which might endanger the strain that we're in. Does it also capture that?
So, based on the program we've written,
Yes.
if there are air gaps,
Yes.
it will relate to the temperature. Yes. Via the ratios. Yeah. So we did a previous test. So it will copy that. It will close to that. Yeah. So if there are air gaps, the temperature will show us. Since the air gaps will be holding the temperature, so it will stay high for long instead of dropping normally, smoothly. Yeah.
After 3 days, how will you remove the sensors?
Oh, the sensors are one-time use. Yeah,
How much for one time?
they're replaceable. How much? It's a test. But it's very reusable. So the probes just remain. We just cut the wires off.
Oh, cut them off.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, when you want to demolish, we cut the wire off.
No.
After 3 days.
After 28 days.
28 days.
Yeah. I'll just come for this part one.
Oh, but this button,
Yes. Yeah.
So I have a question. How many? Let's say you have a. Let's say you're making a 3-story building. Let's say you're making a 3-story building. How many of these devices will you need, or is only one enough?
Okay, this device is made for the lab only. This specific iteration of the device. There are devices for the field where they have more probes, about 6 probes, so they can go a huge level. They can cover a bigger area. Yes.
So if anyone scans anyone who has scanned will get the information.
Scan the QR. It will link you to this sheet, so you'll be able to see the data.
What about if you have multiple, let's say multiple tests?
Give me an example.
Yes.
Give me an example.
Let's say there's this one, and then in another place you have another one.
Yeah, there are different QR codes to different links to different sheets.
If I don't have the code, on the link, and I scan this one, you also get the information.
Scan it. It's open to anybody. Yeah. But nobody can change the data. Nobody can change the data.
Okay.
You only view.
20 days.
So hii tunaweza custom cubes for medical control.
This is control, yes. Go on. Yeah.
Umetosha.